everyone, Mr. Allen again for our Golden Ticket Assembly, and it's Friday the 4th of December. Yes, we are finally in December. Golden tickets are going out to all those children who are working feverishly this week, but actually, as I always say, they've been working really hard all term long. So it's really, really well done to those children. Obviously this morning we've started off with nursery. We've got nursery reception, year 1, year 2 and the SRB. And this morning you'll see a little less of me and more of the children. So what I'm going to do this morning is disappear in a bit and you'll just see the slides coming up with them because I thought we'd have some nice close-ups of them coming through. So we kick off with nursery. In nursery this morning, we have 2 children again. Obviously, this child tries her hardest, is kind to her friends and works hard in school and at home. This child now comes into school without any tears. He's joining in and trying his best every day. And they are Willow and Zygmunt. Well done, Willow, you superstar, and Zygmunt. Look at them, they're working so hard, doing their mark making. Fantastic elephant there, Zygmunt, as well. Enjoy your golden tickets and enjoy your treats, you superstars. Really, really well done. Moving on to turtle class. This child really is a shining star. She always has a smile on her face and is always the very first person to help another child in the classroom. She's considerate, very keen to learn during carpet time and always puts other children first. Really well done to Amelia. Well done, Amelia, you superstar. Look at you. Absolute superstar. Always smiling, always happy and always willing to help out. Really well done. Enjoy your treats and well done. Keep that golden ticket nice and safe. Moving on to shark class. Our golden ticket winner this week has been working so hard on her sounds and can now write her name. And here she is, Emily. Look, the big smile as well. Look at that, beautiful Emily. Well done, Emily. Keep trying, keep working on your sounds, keep practicing your writing, you superstar. Well deserved. And who knows, maybe you can share your treats with Michael, okay, your big brother. I'm sure you will because she's such a kind girl. But really, really well done, well deserved. Congratulations, Emily. Moving on now to year 1 and Miss Marshall. This golden ticket winner goes to someone who is reading at home more, is always at school and is working very hard during lessons. Mr. Allen can ask no more. It is none other than Jack. Well done, Jack, you superstar. He really is working hard now, reading lots. It's really helping with his writing all the way through and working hard on his maths, and fantastic rainbows there as well. Well done, Jack. Again, maybe you can share your treats with your brothers and mum and dad. I'm sure you will because you're such a lovely boy. So really, really well done, Jack. Moving on, Miss Begum's class. This person has made excellent progress with their reading, which is down to their hard work. They are focused, show magnet eyes when spotting special friends in a word. Fantastic work on their phonics. And it goes to Teddy. Well done, Teddy, you superstar. Look at you with your potion sentence there as well, you superstar, and doing your maths. You are working so hard, Teddy. Really, really well deserved, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. Keep reading at home. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. And enjoy your treats tonight after your tea. Moving on to year 2, Miss Hawkins says this child is always making the right choice. He sits beautifully on the carpet and is always listening. He tries his best at all times, never gives up. He has also made great progress in his phonics and has been practicing his sound cards at home. You superstar! Obviously, Gino! There he is, look at him. Maths as well, bit of science experiments going on there, and again on Pudsey Day as well. But Gino, really well done, buddy. Keep learning, keep working as hard as you possibly can. I'm really impressed with you. Whenever I see you, you're sitting beautifully, working hard. Well done, keep it up. Enjoy your treats. Again, maybe you can share it with your brothers and sisters. Who knows, it's up to you. I know you probably will. Well done, congratulations. Mrs. Cook's class says this child is a great team worker. They try hard in everything and work well whatever they are doing. They are friendly and caring towards others and always have a great big smile on their face. They really do, every single day. And he works so hard. It's Charlie! There he is. Well done, Charlie, you superstar. Keep up the hard work. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. I'm proud of you. Enjoy your treats and look after that golden ticket. Well done, Charlie. Finally, this morning, we've got the SRB, and this child always concentrates hard on their work, which looks incredibly neat. It really does. They've taken on board the message that it's okay to make mistakes. It's Mr. Allen's message, wasn't it, this week? They think of others in everything they do and have been trying their best to complete their work on their own. They really have. Goes without saying. It goes to Jack. Well done, Jack. Look at that. Independent working. Always doing the right thing. Neat presentation. Look at that maths, Jack. It's amazing. Really well done. Thank you from Mr. Alan Jack, and enjoy your treats and look after that golden ticket. Yes, absolutely well done to all those winners, really well done. I hope you enjoy your treats and you're able to share them at home tonight after your tea. So really well done to all those golden tickets. Again, if it wasn't you, as Mr. Allen says every week, watch them, look at them, copy them, and who knows, it could be you next week. So really, really well done, everyone. My final message, as always, please stay home, protect Mile Cross, help keep school open. We can carry this on right through to the end of the term. We've got 2 more weeks to go, so come on everyone, let's have a really concerted effort over the next 2 weeks. Let's keep everyone safe, keep everyone protected, keep school open. That way we'll be able to have a fantastic Christmas and hopefully be able to visit some of your relatives as well. So please everyone, stay home, protect Mile Cross, help keep school open. Bye-bye for now.